Hola! Hi guys! Welcome to Pagirly Amiga channel. Thank you for always supporting me. And of course, I'm not always in this channel, but once in a while, I'm uploading something new to show or to share to everyone who are in a pagirly girly, for feminine. Anyway, guys, I have another account which is Amiga Chinita, and you can see me there most of the time. And here is mostly for fashion or makeups. For the meantime, I'm going to share with you a small review of what I have just recently purchased, a lipstick from Wet n Wild. And this is really I wanted to share with you because this is really good. So, and also it's really cheap and very affordable, and it's really good to use at the moment because of we are wearing mask all the time, and this lipstick gives us dry and then no stick on the mask. So this one is really good. So this is the one that I bought or I purchased, Wet n Wild, and I bought two actually. I bought two, and one is for my mother-in-law because she loves pink, and I have other one here, this one. And actually what I like in here is very matipid because you just put a little. Okay, this is pink. It has also other colors like with glitters, glimmery or something like that, or the other one is purple, but I don't use purple. And this one is only little of it, a bit of it. So this is the color, as you can see. So I will put from here. Not so much, as you can see, It's really nice. So that's the color. They said this is limited stocks only, but it's really cute because this is from Hello Kitty, from Sanrio. So this is really cute. It has also eyeshadow palettes, but I didn't buy that because I don't have budget. I'm poor. I don't have a budget at that moment when I was there, and I only have enough money to buy for me and my mother-in-law. So I bought one for her and one for me, and this is really nice. I told you. And when you wear a mask, wait, I'm going to. So I have a mask here. You can see it's clear. And you see that? So I'm going to put the mask. See guys? Nothing. Did you see that? It's not sticky on the mask, and then also it dries quickly, and also no chaps on the lips. There's no chapping, and it's really good, very light and very affordable. Also, in all, I know that Wet n Wild they have nice stuff, but this is the first lipstick that I love so much. That's why I shared with you. They have also the violet or the purple ones, but I chose the pink one because it's not that pink, and the color is really good. So I think that this is it, and then you can try to use also the palette, and I think they have also the blush. So you can check the stores that near your place, or online. You can check online as well. And this is really good for, I think I bought this for 3.49 euros. So this one is really good and very, very matipid. Matipid to put on your lips. So that's it guys, and happy holidays to all of you, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and also please Always take care.